So we have the E-flite Carbon-Z Cessna 150T. Surface check. There's the ailerons, there's the rudder, there's the elevator. We're going to add half flaps and then we'll taxi out into the runway. Wow, grass is getting long. Plane's actually making some tracks. So here we go. And we're ready to take off.
Flaps up.
Yeah, I think I will bring her down. I just, it's getting really tough to see. Even with the great navigation lights on that plane, very easy to lose orientation. And we don't want to land in the like that. Could have been a lot worse. Fortunately, it looks like it's just the wing, and I can probably steam that out and re-glue a little bit. Tough. My first crash with the plane, all because there's the damage. So in any case, we are down and we have her back. Time to wrap it up and head back home.